Hello!
We are going down dahil bibili kami ng pagkain, guys. Pupunta kami doon sa may sa harap ng hotel. Ewan ko kung nung bibili nitong isa. Basta bibili kami ng pagkain kasi wala kaming pang dinner. Ano lang siya, free breakfast. Oh, this is nice.
You can afford with something to do that all night. And then you can do lunch. I don't know.
Apple and fruits. I think this is free. Kausapan niya si Mr. Ayan yung hotel, guys. Holiday Inn Hotel. This is just only parang ano lang siya, maliit na town. And I don't think so na.
There's windies there on it.
Yeah, I don't know. Is it Wendy's? Pizza? It's a pizza house. Oh yeah, Wendy's there, oh.
Okay, that restaurant.
Yan, food market, Aldi. And yan yung hotel. Ito yung view niya, guys, sa labas. Do you wanna go there? Kings?
It's a family restaurant. You wanna have a very windies instead?
Not really.
Okay, that is good. The other was Taco Bell and fried chicken.
Dito na kami sa Kings
You want
restaurant.
ready to go?
Yeah, it's okay too. Now we're done. Huh? What do you want?
What do you want to take that?
I'm gonna take a video.
Oh.
Medyo natagalan, guys, kasi may problema sa order ni Hubs. Wala daw silang turkey na ubusan. Malapit lang siya. Nag-iisang hotel. I want hot tea. Oh, hot tea? No,
Earl Grey and green tea. Which one you want?
the one you told me earlier, that one. Hot choco.
With chocolate, you want this?
Yeah, let me try that. What do you want? That one also?
Hot sugar, that's okay. Yeah.
There's no trash here? No lipstick? Okay. Check this out. So this is their this is the restaurant.
Yes.
Close na kay House. Get up, leave. No need for leave. Alright.
Bathroom right there. Thank you, sir.
Nagulat ako sa dala ni Kuya. Isang box talaga eh. There's what Dani? One box of light beer.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mr. maybe he is alcoholic. Maybe. May ganyan talagang tao. Anyway, magdi-dinner na kami, guys. This is what our order. Yan yung side dish namin, salad. Ito yata kay Mr. Ano, I don't know, baka beef yan. Turkey kasi yung order niya, and then walang turkey. Sabi, pack roast. Sabi ni Mr. pack roast. And tapos parang may something issue ewan ko. Kaya medyo natagalan kami. Kasi parang sabi nila wala daw. Kasi sabi ng restaurant out of stock na daw. And mine is mushroom burger. Ito ba? Yeah, this is it. Morning, honey.
Morning.
Ready na ako guys para magbre-breakfast kami doon sa baba kasi until 9:30 lang yung breakfast nila. Baka it's almost 9 o'clock na. Baka masaraduan na ako. Hindi na kami makapag-breakfast. Very wet here in, what's the name of this town? I forgot the name of this town. Kitaning pala ang town na to. Look at that guys, umuulan siya. Maingay kasi yung sound sa TV, nanood si Habs. Pasensya na. So alright, we're going down now. My outfit for today and yesterday. Yesterday and today. I want to have coffee. How about you? Or hot choco ba? Sarap yung hot choco. Hot choco na lang. Nestle hot choco. Pareho lang din sila ng Swiss miss na lasa. Ay, iba naman tayo. Hot choco. Ano kayang ulam nila? Oh, what is this? Ano nga makatamis? Bread, butter, pork sausage, turkey sausage. Oh, turkey honey. Oh. This is what you're looking for yesterday. Egg and white veggie omelette. And scrambled eggs.
You want some scrambled?
No, it's only omelette. You don't want to eat? Are you full already?
You know me, I don't eat it that early in the morning. You want sausage?
Oh, I want to try the pork sausage. Huh?
This one?
Yeah, it's only one. What about turkey sausage? Turkey sausage, huh?
You want one?
Yeah, I want one. Please. Mabuti na lang na ito si Habs kumuha para makapag-video tayo. Let me see the sausage gravy. Ayoko. And that's it lang. Tapos, then, bread. Muffin. Yeah. What about bread?
Huh?
Bread.
What do you want?
Did you try this? Try nga natin yung utin. Tamis nito. My walnuts, then my, ano ba yan? Fruits, dry fruits. Tapos may cereal if you want. Cadbury's, Raisin Bran. Kain na nga ako guys, naglilinis ko. Kain tayo guys. In a minute of pancake. You see the sign? Go ahead, pancake, my day. Kakaiba. Okay, get ketchup guys. Ganito ako guys, pag mainit pa, bubuksan ko muna yung lid. Ayoko na diretso dito sa maliit na bibig dahil ang init sa bibig. Bubuksan ko muna pansamantala. Yan na yung breakfast ko, yung bagel, tapos omelette, and pork sausage and chicken sausage, and omelette. Okay, ako. Tingnan ko yung pinalitan ko guys. Food was good. 3:04. Ay, kala ko nilampasan na namin. Mukhang holdi yata ito umuulan ah. Yan Yan, try ko magkape guys. Tingnan ko nung lasa
Did
nito
you
mga
put
kape.
water?
Not yet. Yan, try ko decaf. Non-dairy creamer. Hinihintay lang namin yung sundo guys. Nung kahapon nasapit sa amin yung staff ng dealer. And mga ano pa daw, mga another 1 hour pa daw siya punta dito. So kami, ready na kami. And then, buyer room, alis na kami guys. I mean, check out na kami. Paparating na daw yung sundo namin. Ewan ko magkano kayang bayad guys. Tapos may sundo-sundo pa. Oh my God, kanina pa kami dito guys. Wala pa kaming tanghalian. Bumibili na kami dyan sa vending machine ng mga chips. Ito na lang yung ano namin guys, lunch. Ha? At least I had breakfast this morning. May hinihintay daw na part. Sabi parating na daw. About naman sa transmission na dyan, hindi ko masyadong maintindihan. Basta wala daw sila ditong may special daw na software para dyan. Hindi ko maintindihan guys. Basta waiting na lang kami dito na may ano yung parts. Pero hindi talaga siya totally na fix. Dahil nga yun sa software nga ay hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yun guys. Tanong si Mr. kung magkano yung bayarin. Pero hindi pa nila ma-total kung magkano kasi kailangan tayo ng parts. Tapos ewan ko, basta sila na yung mag-uusap dyan. Bustot na naman ang ano ni Mr. nito, pitaka, pati bulsa. So anyway guys, yun lang ang vlog natin for today. And tatapusin ko na. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!